पहिलानो आं जतन हामबाय मारगो तिनी प्रेस बंधु रौनो तिनी और तिनी प्रेस ब्रीफिंग खाने फाइमानि बागै तैबो जों हामबाया फारनाय दिनो जरागो तिनी थांनाय एडिस संमारी ओ संमारीगो तिनी गोबां मा तिनी बरग रok तिनी पार्टीनो लाख कासे बुथ बिखा आबनि बागै पहिला बरनो बेलायचे हामबाय बे खाकचामा याफारो 4-point agenda which I want to declare with the press. One number agenda, in order to contain post-election violence, further stringent action must be taken up by the police department. The culprit, directly or indirectly involved with post-election violence, must be arrested and awarded exemplary punishment as per rule of the law. Second, immediate relief should be provided to all victims of current post-election violence. Further, appropriate compensation should be provided to the individual and families who have been affected physically, injury, fire in dwelling house, shop, and looting out valuable properties, ransacking of dwelling house, and destroy of rubber plantation and other standing crop, including looting out and poisoning of fish from the pond and lakes. Third, IPFT party appeal to all the section of the population, irrespective of political belief and ideology, to maintain peace and cordial atmosphere all over the state, with special reference to TTIDC area. In case of continuation of post-election violence, IPFT will be under compulsion to organize peaceful democratic movement for self-protection. IPFT appeal to the people of the state to maintain peace and calm. If situation continue, if violence continue any further, IPFT will compelled to have a aggressive movement, peaceful movement, whole of the state, especially in Addis area. IPFT is closely watching the situation. Whoever involved in this violence, whoever involved, but maybe any political party belong, IPFT will be compelling to have a aggressive movement. And I believe IPFT have still very strong role. We have a lot of cadres, volunteers in this area. Therefore, we appeal on behalf of our party, we appeal to the government of Tripura as well as the police department to take immediate action whoever involved in this incident. We have a lot of FIR file and also we have identified so many culprits directly, indirectly who involved in this violence. We have already identified and we have given some name also to the police. But unfortunately, though I'm also minister, belong to the state government minister, I really feel sorry why the police is not taking action immediately. Therefore, IPFT party will be compelled to have a vigorous movement, aggressive movement if situation continue. Tini ang sanamusugo, tini press ni bisingti. 10 tarik ni hoite, tini poento. Violence chorai tongo, jaga chas jeng khobor main tongo, nok sok sago, auto sok sago, event burini, godnani, rangzak riksak rok seitlang thango, teibu se kebang manukha, armari ni sebagai, rang lag, event ini simna, ni abo subol singo, price harus 6 lakh rang, boni tongmani, boni armari bising ni, apa ini borok, loot kaitlang thangka. Taibu bele wana masangsa, pukri rogo, bithi roi rogo, tui nungani call aro bithi roi rogo kwa rogo tei mairung rogo jesa na mairung tongmani a mairung rogo kerosene no buli rogo aba belai wana masingsa oba haide tongmung oba haide gotona abo kuno diring yakho aban bagai jekono borophone involved thung he may belong to any party political party culprit is culprit abane action mana nai abane bagai ang koi nai chini especially chini the pramotha ni volunteer rogno because we do not know in the name of the pramotha ni bumung nagai oma hai borok samung khlaigo tabok phano chini borok kabangma khari matongo nini khwai rogo nini outla rogo telemra rogo chini tipra sarok borok town phai matong phaigo borok belai khen osiba tongo chung nukha chung manes ke tongo abon mang koi nai chini sarkar no chung koi nai immediate relief karna bagai tai government proshashan thangai ni tahsildar ba tikun incorrect lagi borok nok sok sajang mani nok khamani ben malmata borok klangai thango tai very interesting in the name of the Pramotha or some allied organization borok receive bago bijak sob khaina hnai borok receive bago borok rang chanda sano onek jon borok jong nukha chino receive butongo 10,000 20,000 30,000 klai borok receive pani rogo the Pramotha ni bumungtui chino receive tongo tei sudu receive ya phone by donkey rogo rang mari phainai 10,000 20,000 30,000 omai klai jong chin hon kamang mari puttongo abo belai ke durbagyo kapal hamia bori bagai jeng amano sanai chin IPF party jeng nai tongo jeng tei chojjo khlai manglak jodi si omai jodi continue tong khlai jeng tude tumru jeng di samnai jeng sara tipar rajyo naka jeng bon kere nai jeng rasar ko khlai nai jeng je democratic movement peaceful movement jeng khlai nai abagai ang koi nai chini phasana koi nai tei chin public je kono party phana ongthung ang borno koi nai omai violence omai tamung sitra tate tangthung oni bagai ang barban koi sago जोंनो कम्पेल टाख्लायदि दिनै जों नाहरै तंखो आनि volunteer rok ani public rok गोबां माताबन हाजार जोंनो फन खाइ तंगो जदि अमाय के तंखो तिनिबो गसना खनाखा मानदाइगो अट सखसाइ दखा आव जों रिपोर्ट माइ तंगो अबाय जदि कन्टिन्यू दंखलाय जों बिसि नायसिंगला आनि स्ट्राइ रक नायसिंगला जों पिसफुल फ्लाइजों डेमोक्रेटिक मुभमेन्ट जोंबो खायनाय हामबाय।